Have you ever wondered if you're spending money on expensive probiotic supplements when you could be getting similar benefits from natural, everyday foods? What if you could support your gut health and boost your digestion by simply adding a few delicious, naturally fermented foods to your diet? Fermented foods, packed with live cultures, offer a more affordable and effective way to nurture your body's microbiome. In today's video, we're going to dive into 5 naturally fermented foods that not only help with digestion but also contribute to overall gut health, immunity, and even mental clarity. Let's explore how these everyday foods can have a significant impact on your well-being, starting with an ingredient many of us already love: yogurt. 1. Yogurt, with live and active cultures. Let's kick things off with a fan favorite, yogurt. Yogurt is often one of the first foods people think of when they hear probiotics, and for good reason. It's made by fermenting milk with specific bacteria, usually Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. These active cultures work wonders in balancing your gut, alleviating symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and supporting healthy digestion. Yogurt can also help reduce bloating and constipation, making it a go-to for digestive support. The good news is, yogurt also offers protein, calcium, and other vital nutrients like B vitamins, which contribute to stronger bones and healthy muscles. But not all yogurt is created equal. Look for yogurt with the live and active cultures seal, as this ensures that the probiotics are still alive and thriving. Also, stick to plain, unsweetened yogurt. Sweetened varieties often contain added sugars that can cause inflammation, which could negate the benefits of the probiotics. Frozen yogurt is another culprit you should avoid, as it rarely contains live cultures. Adding yogurt to your daily routine is an easy way to introduce probiotics into your diet. You can have it on its own, add it to smoothies, or use it as a base for a healthy parfait with fruits and nuts. The key here is consistency, as regular intake of probiotic-rich yogurt can have a positive impact on your digestive health and beyond. 2. Kefir. Next, we have kefir, a fermented milk drink that's packed with an even wider variety of probiotics than yogurt. While yogurt might be the go-to for most people, kefir offers more diverse bacteria and yeast strains, up to 61 different strains, to be exact. This makes kefir an incredibly potent probiotic powerhouse for gut health. If you're looking to supercharge your digestion, kefir should be on your radar. Kefir is made using a combination of kefir grains, which are a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. This gives it a more tangy taste than yogurt, but it also provides a wide range of beneficial microorganisms. The process of fermentation breaks down lactose, which means kefir is typically easier to digest than other dairy products, even for those who are lactose intolerant. You'll find that kefir can help with digestion, improve the balance of your gut flora, and support overall immune function. Another fantastic benefit of kefir is its low lactose content, which makes it suitable for many individuals with lactose sensitivity. Whether you drink it straight, add it to smoothies, or mix it into your morning oatmeal, kefir is a versatile option for anyone looking to boost their gut health naturally. Just remember that organic, unsweetened kefir is the best choice to avoid excess sugar. 3. Sauerkraut, raw/unpasteurized. Let's talk about sauerkraut, the tangy, fermented cabbage that's a staple in many cuisines, especially in Eastern Europe. Sauerkraut is not just a delicious topping for sausages or a side dish for meats, it's also a fantastic source of probiotics. The process of fermenting cabbage increases the bioavailability of vitamins C and K, which are essential for your immune system, bones, and overall health. What makes sauerkraut so powerful is its live probiotics, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. Like other fermented foods, sauerkraut helps regulate digestion, reduces bloating, and supports your immune system. However, it's essential to opt for raw, unpasteurized sauerkraut as pasteurization kills the live cultures. Most shelf-stable jars of sauerkraut you see on the store shelves are pasteurized, meaning they no longer have the beneficial bacteria that can support your gut. The fiber content in sauerkraut also aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut lining. Sauerkraut's powerful anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage digestive issues, such as gas or bloating. The good news is, sauerkraut is not only easy to make at home but also inexpensive. If you're not keen on making it yourself, look for the refrigerated section of your grocery store to find authentic, unpasteurized sauerkraut that will offer the full benefits. 4. Kimchi. Have you heard of kimchi? This flavorful, traditional Korean dish is more than just a tasty side. It's packed with incredible health benefits, particularly for your gut health. Kimchi is made by fermenting cabbage and radish, seasoned with garlic, ginger, chili peppers, and other spices, creating a spicy, tangy flavor that complements a variety of meals. But kimchi offers much more than a flavor boost. It is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and lactobacillus bacteria, making it an excellent choice for improving digestion and supporting a balanced immune system. Like other fermented foods, kimchi helps improve the balance of gut flora, which is essential for proper digestion. It promotes a healthy digestive system, helping break down food more effectively and supporting nutrient absorption. The lactobacillus bacteria in kimchi help restore balance to your gut microbiome, which is essential for overall health. In addition to its digestive benefits, kimchi's high fiber content aids in regular bowel movements and helps reduce bloating, making it a natural and effective way to combat common digestive discomfort. But kimchi's benefits don't stop at digestion. Studies have shown that regular consumption of kimchi can lower cholesterol, reduce body fat, and even improve blood sugar levels. This makes kimchi a great addition to your diet, not only for better digestion but also for overall cardiovascular health. So, if you're looking for a way to spice up your meals while improving your gut health, kimchi is an excellent, natural choice. Whether you enjoy it as a side dish, added to rice bowls, or mixed into salads, it's an easy and flavorful way to enhance your health. 5. Miso. Lastly, let's explore miso, a savory paste made from fermented soybeans, salt, and koji, a type of fungus used in the fermentation process. Miso is a traditional ingredient in Japanese cuisine and is commonly used in soups, sauces, dressings, and marinades. It's packed with probiotics, enzymes, and amino acids, making it an excellent food choice to support digestion and overall gut health. The fermentation of miso creates a rich source of beneficial bacteria, or probiotics, that help promote healthy gut function. These probiotics are essential for improving the balance of gut flora, which supports digestion and the absorption of nutrients. In fact, miso contains specific enzymes that aid in the absorption of nutrients, playing a vital role in maintaining a healthy gut lining and supporting the proper function of your digestive system. Incorporating miso into your meals is an easy and delicious way to boost gut health, whether you're adding it to a warm bowl of miso soup or mixing it into a savory salad dressing. Another significant benefit of miso is its antioxidant properties. Miso contains antioxidants that help protect your cells from oxidative stress, a process that can lead to cell damage and contribute to inflammation in the body. Regular consumption of miso can help reduce inflammation and support a more balanced immune system, which is vital for overall health. In addition to its digestive benefits, miso has been linked to various other health advantages, including improved cardiovascular health and a more resilient immune system. Next time you're looking to add a savory, umami-packed boost to your meals, consider incorporating miso into your diet. It's a simple, natural way to enhance your digestion and overall well-being while adding rich flavor to your favorite dishes. There you have it, 5 naturally fermented foods that can help support your gut health, enhance digestion, and boost your immunity. From yogurt to miso, these foods are packed with live, active cultures that are perfect for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Unlike expensive supplements, fermented foods are not only affordable but also packed with essential nutrients that nourish your body and support long-term wellness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and strategies. Your gut health is just one of the keys to feeling good every day, and these simple food choices can have a big impact. Let's continue to take small steps towards better health together, one bite at a time. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next video.